if you're a boyfriend band, she'll be like, I freaking love you, let's get married. Jokes. I'm joking. She won't be like that. Or will she?
Can we be friends?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today I am doing this just for the guys and of course the girls, because girls, send your man this video because it's gonna make you happy. Okay, so let's get down to the real business. I am making a video which is a guide to all boyfriends or girlfriends, partners, mothers, fathers, anyone who doesn't know anything about makeup but has a makeup lover in their life. So, what the hell do you buy us? Question is about to be answered. Okay, so I have my trusty phone and I'm gonna go through exactly what us girls want for Christmas whenever it comes to makeup. It will suit any budget, sort of. Not really. We're makeup lovers. You should know by now that we spend a lot of money on this makeup. But yeah, even one good gift will do. Let's get started. I need to make you aware that I am not doing this video so then Mark will know what to buy me. Anyway, let's get started and get my trusty phone up on the screen. Okay, so first I'm going to go on to Beautybay, because Beautybay is a great site for makeup lovers, for cheap stuff, and it's pretty quick on deliveries, and that is what we need. So whenever you hit on Shop Christmas, it actually has a few different ones, which is very smart. So it has Boyfriend's Beauty Guide, Mum's Beauty Guide, Gifts for Mum, Gifts for Aspiring MEAs, and Gifts for Pros. So they actually have went on and put good gifts in there. But first I'm going to go on and type in Jeffree Star and it comes up straight away. So there is some people out there who would like the Jeffree Star Alien palette, but I think, you know, if you're going to go with a palette, there's other ones. So in the Jeffree Star bit, if you go down and click on any of his liquid lipsticks, that is what we want. Any of the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks is good. Any of them. Just get one. We don't mind. Any of them. Get them. Thank you. What I would actually recommend is the Keilidh, MUA, and you can check out the spelling of that here. I would actually recommend her palette, especially if it is people who don't necessarily use colour a lot and go more with the browns and mattes and neutral kind of shades. I think this palette just suits everyone. So I would get that, and for the price, trust me, I know you're saying, oh my god, 30 odd pound. 30 odd pound to a makeup lover is cheap. It is cheap. But I know to users it isn't cheap, but trust me, this will last a long time and she will be pretty happy with it because it has a shitload of pigment. If you type in Nikki tutorials and you go down to her highlighter, it's Ofra highlighter, and yeah, it is beautiful. Both of them are good, so any of them. But you know, if it is just one present that you are going to be buying us, if it is just going to be one present that you are going to be buying, then I wouldn't suggest this, but it is a really nice sort of extra. Now, BPerfect is where it is at. This is what we are wanting. the Mmmitchell Sub-Zero highlighter palette from BPerfect. It is £33 and she wants that. She wants it. If she hasn't already got it, she wants it. Buy it. £33. I'd probably pick that over the £25 highlighter because I mean you're getting 7 highlighters in there, whereas the Nikki Tutorials one is 1 highlighter. Pay the extra money and get the Sub-Zero palette. She will love you. And the next palette that I'm going to show you is the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. It's by BPerfect Cosmetics again. It is £40. It is supposed to be the shit. Like, as in good. Good. Okay, so that is enough of Beautybay at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to go on to the Keilidh site. I will link these all below just so you can click on them and it'll be handy for you. So I'm going to go into shop, and then the Secret Center collection is what it's about. And I'm going to go scroll all the way down to the Keilidh, the Secret Center palette, which is £40. Highly recommended. Highly. I already have this and I love it. Bought it myself. And you know, if a girl's buying herself £40 palettes, then it's pretty good. This is the Keilidh palette in the flesh. You can't even see it because it is so damn heavenly. The light's just shining off it. So if you want to buy more from the Keilidh collection, then you can go into the base, which is right underneath the Secret Center collection, and click on choose your shade. And if you scroll down and go to shade 2, it suits everyone from dark skin, medium skin, light skin, bloody, white. Like, it will suit you. Let's go off the Keilidh site and go on to another site. Let's do the Cult Beauty site now. And I did not know that this site had this. Ah. Okay, so this is the James Charles Artistry palette. It is £39 and you do get 39 shades in it. I think it's 39 shades. Yes you do. I know this stuff too much. I would suggest getting the James Charles palette if she does if she sits and watches YouTube makeup videos all day, every day, then she's going to know who James Charles is and she's probably going to want that in her collection. Okay, so that is me done for this video. I hope you have all enjoyed it and got some insight into us makeup lovers' presents. And yes, I hope you go out and buy a present which she or he will love. And my camera's gonna die. Okay, I'm away. Bye! See you in the next video.